U-Haul rent a truck. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can rent a truck on U-Haul, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To rent a truck, could be a pickup truck, could be a cargo truck, or whatever else you prefer, go to U-HaulSo, and when you come to the website you don't have to sign in to get the rates or anything like that, and just scroll down. If you log in, that's better, by the way, because you're going to have a record later on as well. Or you can go to trucks and trailers here, and here you'll find the option called pickup location. So you can just tap the pickup location option. In order to enter your pickup location, enter the pickup date. The drop off location is completely optional. Now all you have to do is tap the get rates option, and you will be able to set different types of trucks depending upon the rates, as well as extended mile, extended days, extended hours. Now let's say this is the truck that you want to rent. You can tap the select option here, and after you do that, you will be able to follow the other instructions, finish the booking, call to their phone number, or you can directly pay, and then after that you will be able to rent that truck successfully. And this way you should be able to rent a truck on U-Haul. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.